Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 500. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad 500 can't hold a charge and dies in the middle of your tasks, you're not alone. This is a common issue with laptops as they age, often caused by battery degradation over time. If left unchecked, it can lead to an even shorter battery life and the inconvenience of losing your work unexpectedly. To remedy this, we'll guide you through replacing the battery. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new compatible battery for your Lenovo Ideapad 500. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by flipping the device over carefully. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry the back cover away from the laptop's base. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips. With the back cover off, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component usually found at the center of the device, connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery's cable from the motherboard by gently pulling on the connector. Then, remove any screws securing the battery in place. Remember to note the type of screws used, as some may be longer than others. Once the battery is free, take your new replacement battery and position it exactly where the old one was. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly attached. Before closing the back cover, double-check that no cables are pinched and everything is in its proper place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the back cover and press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. Finally, turn your laptop over, plug it in, and power it on. Monitor the battery's performance to ensure everything is working correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly calibrating your battery and avoiding extreme temperatures that can affect its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.